Hey guys, today I am going to be opening an 8-pack mystery pack. So, before we start, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you can be notified every time I post a video. Share, and send a friend. So let's get started.
It came from Dollar General.
And it came from Dollar General. Mother, I need scissors. By the way, my mom is right there.
Hi.
Yeah, it's hard.
Gotta hand over the scissors the proper way.
I really don't know how to hold scissors. I don't know. Okay, so I think right here should be good.
It says 8 things in there.
8 things. Well, hopefully that's true. Okay, so I think I'm just gonna reach in and pull. So, ooh. So the first thing that I have is this unicorn shimmy pen with a fluffy background. Ooh, and it kind of looks like a mermaid. And then I got this shimmy heart pen. And then I got this star rainbow pen. Then I got this shimmy keychain and it's a unicorn. Ooh, let's see. I got this shimmy unicorn ears and it's really cute. Ooh, I got a rose gold shimmy headband. And I got a unicorn keychain. And then I got a dinosaur. It's green and it turns gold. Huh? So this, I think this, let's see what color this one turns. This one turns silver. Let's see what this one turns. This one also turns silver.
Are you even holding it up high enough?
Yeah, I am. Yeah, that one turns silver. Let's see. There's so many ones turning silver. Yep, that one's also silver. Yep, silver. Yeah, so this is a really cool mystery pack, and a lot of it has to do with unicorns. So yeah, that's really cool. Yeah, and also some of these ones are like squishy. So yeah, so I hope you guys like this video, and you guys can find this mystery pack at Dollar General. So yeah, bye guys.